This video explains how to receive Ethereum Classic (ETC) on Binance. We'll cover finding your deposit address and selecting the correct network. Understanding these steps is crucial to avoid losing your funds. Ethereum Classic, or ETC, is a decentralized blockchain that was created as a fork from the original Ethereum network in 2016. ETC now operates as a proof-of-stake blockchain, which is more energy efficient than the original proof-of-work system. What makes ETC unique is its strong emphasis on immutability, meaning transactions cannot be changed, and censorship resistance, ensuring no single entity can control the network. Importantly, ETC operates on its own separate blockchain and is not an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. When depositing ETC, always ensure you are using the Ethereum Classic network, not the regular Ethereum network, to avoid losing your funds. To find your ETC deposit address, start by logging into your Binance account. Make sure your account is verified with two-factor authentication enabled for security. Next, navigate to the Wallet section by clicking Wallet in the main menu, then select Fiat and Spot to access your cryptocurrency wallets. In the Fiat and Spot wallet, use the search bar to find Ethereum Classic by typing ETC. This will filter the list to show ETC specifically. Once ETC appears in the list, click the Deposit button. Binance will automatically generate a unique ETC deposit address specifically for your account. Your ETC deposit address is a hexadecimal string that starts with 0x followed by letters and numbers. Always copy this address directly from Binance to avoid typing errors that could result in lost funds. Never type it manually. This is the most critical step in depositing Ethereum Classic to Binance. When sending ETC, you absolutely must select the Ethereum Classic ETC network in your sending wallet or exchange. Blockchain networks are separate systems, and ETC operates on its own network, not as a token on Ethereum. Each cryptocurrency has its own blockchain network. Ethereum Classic is completely separate from Ethereum, even though they share a name. If you select the wrong network, like the Ethereum mainnet, your funds will be sent to a different blockchain where they cannot be recovered. Here's what it looks like in a wallet app. Make sure the network dropdown shows Ethereum Classic. This screenshot demonstrates the interface where you select the network before sending. If you accidentally send to the wrong network, recovery is extremely difficult and often impossible. This diagram shows how to add custom networks and some recovery steps, but prevention is always better than cure. The consequences are severe: permanent loss of funds. Always verify the network selection matches Ethereum Classic (ETC) before confirming any transaction. Use the security features in your wallet to double-check. The deposit process involves 6 key steps to ensure your ETC arrives safely on Binance. First, ensure your Binance account has Level 1 KYC verification completed. This is required for deposits and helps maintain platform security. Next, access the ETC deposit page on Binance. Navigate to Wallet, select Fiat and Spot, search for ETC, and click Deposit to get your unique address. From your external wallet, like MetaMask configured for ETC or another exchange, send ETC to the copied address on the ETC network only. Using the wrong network will result in lost funds. The minimum deposit amount is 0.01 ETC. Ensure your transaction meets this threshold to avoid processing issues. Confirmations require 12 block validations, which typically takes 2 to 4 minutes. Your transaction will be pending during this time. Once confirmed, funds will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. Monitor the transaction on ETC explorers like BlockScout to track progress. Always double-check addresses and networks to ensure a successful deposit. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account for enhanced security. Verify the transaction hash on ETC block explorers like BlockScout or Etherscan after initiating the transfer. Be cautious of phishing attempts and only access Binance through its official website or app. As of 2025, Binance has stricter KYC requirements for ETC deposits over $1,000 USD equivalent. If your ETC deposit doesn't appear after a few minutes, first double-check the transaction hash on an Ethereum Classic block explorer. If the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain but not showing on Binance, contact Binance support through their support interface. Common issues include using the wrong network when sending ETC, or sending less than the minimum deposit amount of 0.01 ETC. Binance paused ETC withdrawals briefly in Q2 2025 due to network congestion, so be aware of possible delays announced by Binance. Receiving ETC on Binance is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Remember to always double-check your deposit address and, most importantly, select the correct Ethereum Classic ETC network. By following these best practices, you can ensure your ETC deposits are successful and secure. Stay informed by monitoring Binance's official announcements for updates and maintenance schedules. Binance does not support ETC on smart contracts or dApps directly. It's for trading and transfers.